How to use coin in AliExpress. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use coin in AliExpress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically use coin in AliExpress, it is actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the AliExpress application here. Once you launch the AliExpress app, you will see this type of interface here. Now what you need to do from here is you want to simply go to the coins tab. The more you collect coins, the more money it's going to increase. So one coin equals to 1 cent. So in my case I have 118 cents. 118 coins, that is equivalent to $1.18. So what I can do is here you can say use coins for discount. These are the products that I can buy using my AliExpress coins. So remember that not all the products are eligible, so only the ones that they show up here are the ones that are eligible for a coins discount. So you can simply apply your coins and then you can choose to get a discount with those coins. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically use coins in AliExpress. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.